Hello, today we are making yummy Sable cookies with a caramel heart. First, dust your rolling pin and work surface with flour and roll the Sable dough to a 25 x 30 cm rectangle. Check out my recipe on how to make homemade Sable dough. We are using a flour cookie cutter with a dipped center. First, put it in flour, then cut the cookies and place them in a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the cookies in a preheated oven to 180 Celsius degrees, which is 360 Fahrenheit degrees, for around 10 minutes, or until they get a light golden color. Then place aside and let cool completely. Now decorate the center of the flowers with caramel or dulce de leche. So good! Bon appétit!